Hey, loose shirt with you. Got a Dorma Kaba €0.5 here. Just this is just the intro, obviously. It's a 5-pin lock. That's what the bitting looks like on this one. And the cylinder has overmilling. And 2 through 5. And it has the GG serrated type pins that are beveled to catch in that milling, over milling. Requires a really delicate touch to pick, and well, at least for me. Anyway, pick's coming up next, so give it a watch. See ya. Bye. Okay, this is a Dorma Kaba standard. It's a 5-pin lock. Really low number 2 there compared to the first one. Very smooth. I use lock tools. I don't know what this is called. Teardrop maybe. But anyway, I like it because it's really thin through here. And I can't go up between the warding, but I can go around and up. So this one kind of glides in and out without too much hassle. Light tension. Nothing out of 1. Nothing out of 2. 3 is binding. Gotta click. 4. 5. 13. Okay, back to 1. Gotta click out of 1. 3, 4, 5. We'll try 2 now. Got a click and a little bit of movement. That was 5. 4. Okay, find out what's in it. I know it's got to be spools in there. Oh joy. Hopefully it won't be bad. leaking out lately. Something tells me to shim this one. Okay. Here we go. Yeah, I could have done it without shimming. It never hurts. All right. Looks like all standard pens. Oh, I see overmilling. Overmilling in everything but one. Yep. Should see some beveled drivers. Get you a little closer. GG style. Oops, I read that. See that bevel on the edge? It means it's gonna sit down in the right there in the overmilling. Makes sense. Oh, a baby GG. Big springs. Another GG type. Spool. Or serrated, I guess I should say. Oh. Really nice lock, smooth action. Takes a delicate touch to pick. You don't want to over crank those. It'll just cause you problems. Beautiful. Thanks for watching. See ya. Leave a comment.